One thing that can be a little bit confusing when you're first starting out is understanding the difference between sharps and flats. So we're going to look at these today and make them a little bit more clear. Let's start with sharps. When you hear the word sharp, think of something pointy, like a mountaintop, and it moves to the right. So every time you hear sharp, think, okay, I'm going to the next key available that's higher. And you're going to move by half steps. So if we're starting on C, we would go to the next available key, which would be this black key here, C sharp. Let's try another one. Here's G, so the next available key would be here, G sharp. Now this can get a little bit tricky if you're playing between the two white keys, E to F or B to C. So sometimes I see my students, I'll say play E sharp, and they go to the next available black key and they actually go the wrong direction. So an E sharp would be here. Same for B. B sharp, not here, but here. That's B sharp. Okay, so just remember, when you hear sharp, think pointy mountain, go higher, towards the right. Now let's talk about flats. They're the opposite of sharps. So when you hear flat, think, flat tire means go lower, to the left. So the next available key to the left. So if we were here on A flat would be here. Or D flat, the next available key is here. And just like the sharps where it can be confusing between the two white keys, so F flat would be here. And C flat is here, C flat. Now when you're playing sharps and flats, especially if you're using sheet music, sometimes you'll see a natural symbol. And a natural just cancels out a sharp or flat. So if you were playing, say, F sharp, and you see a natural, an F natural symbol, that means to return to the white key. So it's letter name to F. Or we have B flat, and then you have B natural, cancels out the B flat, and go back to its white key letter name. One way you can practice this and get good at sharps and flats is to go through all the keys and say all three types. So we have C natural, C sharp, back to C natural, to C flat. Let's do another one. Let's do G. So G natural, G sharp, G natural, and G flat. Okay, so that was just a quick video, and I hope that makes sharps, flats, and naturals a little bit more clear for you.